Good morning, children. Welcome to history class. And today we will read chapter number 2, that is Iron Age. Let's begin the chapter with development of civilization, how the civilization came into existence. The Bronze Age started when humans started using the tools, weapons and utensils that were made of bronze extensively. Then the period started known as Bronze Age, when the people of this age started using bronze in large amount. And when the early men learned farming, then no longer needed to move in search of food, but now they could settle down at one place. And also settlement of the people started beginning in the Bronze Age also. Now early man soon found out the plants that could grow very well, where the water and fertile soil were available, and they were located near the banks of river. Soon they found the place where the fertile soil was available, water was available, and the plant that could grow very well. And that place was near the banks of river. Then they began settling down in a small village near them. The earliest civilization developed along the river banks of like Nile River. When the earliest civilization started, that was in the bank of river Nile in Egypt, Euphrates and Tigris in Iraq, Yangtze Kiang, Hongho in China, and Indus in India. So here the civilizations developed along these banks of rivers. Now these civilizations were also known as the River Valley civilization, since they started from the banks. Now in which country nowadays do the river Euphrates and Tigris flow? Do you know, children? It's Iraq. Now come to the Iron Age. Iron Age began around 1200 BCE, when the Bronze Age tools and utensils were replaced by the iron tools and utensils. Then iron was used to make weapons, tools, cooking pots, horse harnesses and nails. It was harder than the copper and more sophisticated. So this helped humans to clear large forest area in the less time and expand their areas of settlement also. Then people in the Iron Age were very skilled metal workers who made distinctive art with the rich swirling patterns. They also started making tools and weapons of different patterns also. And in India, the Iron Age corresponds roughly with the coming of the Aryans. As it is estimated, in India, the Iron Age was started with the coming of the Aryans, and the Vedic age, and then with the age of Mahajanpadas. Now let's learn about Vedic age. The Vedic civilization flourished between the 1500 BCE and 500 BCE on the Indo-Gangetic plains of Indian subcontinent. The Indus Valley area was brought under the establishment of a new group of people. They were called Aryans, and most of the historians believe that they came from the Central Asian region. Early Vedic age. The Vedic period is broadly divided into two branches, and they are early Vedic age and later Vedic age. The early Vedic age lasted from about 1500 BCE to 1000 BCE, when the Rig Veda was composed, and the later Vedic age continued from about 1000 BCE to 600 BCE, when the other three Vedas like the Sam Veda, the Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda were composed. In the beginning of the Aryans settled the region of the 7 regions of rivers of Saptasindhu. When the Aryans came to India, they started settling down themselves in the region where the 7 rivers are called Saptasindhu, like Indus, Ravi, Bias, Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj and Saraswati. Nowadays, Saraswati has dried up. That flows in the modern days of Afghanistan, Pakistan and Punjab in India. Now, later Vedic age. This period is also known as the epic period. During this time, the great epics were written like Ramayana, Mahabharata and Upanishads. And these epics were defined the way of leading meaningful life. And during this period, Aryans moved ahead from Saptasindhu to the plains of the river Ganga and Yamuna. Then gradually, they also occupied the whole of the northern India. They cleared the forest, found new settlements. The use of the iron axe helped them to clear the dense forest of the Gangetic plains. And they gave this region the name of Aryavrat. That means the land of Aryans. Now for the features of Iron Age, we will be continuing in our next video. Till then, goodbye.